Jadi adapting ni memang penat sangat. I kena bayar bills lagi, renew insurance lagi. Banyaknya. Oh ya, tapi hari tu I lupa I ada jumpa something yang sangat memudahkan. Sekejap, I remember. These apps memang sangat senang. And just now, I just compared a few options and surprisingly, the price difference was very crazy. And I tak expect pun yang akan save that much just by checking here. Okay? So korang yang compare dulu baru tahu. So bijak ni memang helps you to save. And the best part is, I can renew as low as RM40 sahaja. So I tak payah dah nak pening-pening kepala nak kena bayar semua at all once. And this gambar I waktu kereta I kena masuk bengkel, I memang dah stress sangat time tu. And kalau korang nak tahu, as a female driver, I memang sangat pentingkan safety I. Okay? Tapi with Bijak VIP ni, I boleh dapat 24/7 towing and hotline everywhere. So even I seorang-seorang on the road pun, I akan feel safe. So I tak expect pun yang renew insurance ni sangat-sangat mudah saja, sangat senang. Korang boleh compare sendiri, saving and stay with protected. And kalau korang tak cuba lagi, korang kena try dulu and compare dulu, korang pun akan terkejut. Bye!